In this video, I will show you how to make a thread on Instagram Threads. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up the Threads app on your device. And from here, if you look at the very bottom, you've got all these different icons. And what you want to do is actually click onto the middle icon. So this one here. From here, what you can do is go ahead and put your thread. And if you want to, you can add any attachments like photos or videos by clicking the paperclip underneath. So this is going to take you across to your gallery where you can go ahead and select any photos or videos you want to add. And if you do, click the done button in the top right hand corner. So once that's done, if you look at the very bottom, you can change the public settings for this. So at the moment it's set to anyone can reply, but if you press onto this, you can change it to just full profiles you follow or mentioned only. When you're happy with your thread, go ahead and press the blue post button down in the bottom right hand corner. You'll see that's currently posted into Threads. It's just going to take a minute or two to do that, and we're going to get a confirmation saying posted. So to view any threads that you've posted, if you come to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, give that a click, you're going to see all your posted threads. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.